Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a wonderfully rich and creamy mushroom soup, all without using any dairy cream. We'll focus on building deep flavors and achieving a luxurious texture through clever techniques. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh mushrooms, some good quality vegetable broth, and a few simple aromatics. This recipe is perfect for those seeking a lighter, yet incredibly satisfying, soup option. The secret to a flavorful soup begins with proper sautéing. Start by cooking your diced onions and minced garlic in olive oil until they are fragrant and translucent. Then, add your sliced mushrooms. It's crucial to cook them until they release their liquid and develop a lovely golden brown color, which deepens their earthy taste. Finally, deglaze the pan with a splash of white wine or broth to lift all those delicious caramelized bits. Now, let's achieve that creamy texture without the cream. A fantastic trick is to blend about 1/3 of your cooked soup until it's silky smooth, then stir it back into the pot. This uses the mushrooms themselves to thicken the soup naturally. You can also make a simple roux with flour and butter for a bit more body. For an extra touch of richness, consider adding a small amount of unsweetened plant-based milk. To finish our wonderful soup, season it carefully with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of dried thyme to enhance the mushroom flavors. Taste and adjust as needed. For a beautiful presentation and a burst of freshness, garnish each bowl with some vibrant chopped parsley or a light drizzle of your favorite olive oil. This delicious, healthy, and satisfying soup is now ready to be enjoyed with some warm, crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.